What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with Jdm Muscle. We're in the truck. What's behind us? That is a 240, guys. As you know, we've LS swapped it from the SR22. No matter what I've done, I've redone the rear main seal twice. Second time it actually leaked worse. So at this point, trying to do it and get it done by drift season. Drift season is 1 month away. I just don't have time doing it on jack stands, freezing in the garage and struggling. So guy I drift with, Barry and Will. Barry runs a G, Will's got a Z. He's got a shop down in Indy called Bear Automotive. That's where we're going right now. Barry said he's going to hook me up. He just LS swapped his G35, so check that out. He's got some footage on that. Otherwise, he could help you with that. But we are taking my car down there. We loaded it up this morning. It was rough, guys. So we had to get my trailer out of my brother's yard or my mom's yard. That's who's videoing right now, my bro. But my trailer was stuffed in there because in Michigan, we still have a lot of snow and ice, especially where he's at. So we basically had to rip my tarp off, started ripping it in pieces because it was frozen to the trailer. I threw pounds of salt all over it to melt the snow and ice off the trailer this morning. We loaded the 240 up this morning. Typically to get off my curb at my house, you have to pull off the curb. We have special built ramps. Luckily there's so much ice in my driveway, we just kind of slid right down it. But we are loaded up. We're going to Knox, Indiana. Like I said, Bear Automotive, that's Barry's shop. He's gonna hook me up, have it done here hopefully soon, so we can make the first event. Otherwise, so far just heading down here, I bet we've seen 10 to 15 cops, one of them being like a full SWAT bomb squad car. So if we get footage and stuff, we'll upload it. I know Hunter got a small video of that. We're about 1 hour out from dropping it off. I'll do a little footage, walk around Barry's shop, and hell yeah, guys, let's get this thing going.
Crazy. I thought there was a dude on the truck lifting. I was like, wait, what the fuck?
That'd have been cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, yeah. Oh, so when you did you pull the transmission?
Yeah, that was the bounce house.
Like this part is not bent correctly, so I was hoping he could figure something out with that. And then I put a welded diff in, diff brace, and then these solid diff. Dude, I got on Marketplace.
Here, we went to pull it off the damn trailer and I was out of gas. The worst thing about not having a gas gauge is I never know where it is. So we spun down to the gas station, put 7 gallons in. Otherwise, we're leaving it to Barry. He's gonna take care of it. Yeah, it's in his hands. Anything you wanna say, Barry?
I'm just really appreciative that he wanted to bring his car out here and have me work on it, because like the drift community is just so like we're together as like a family. So it's like when someone needs help, it's like I don't mind helping out at all. So, and it's, I mean, who doesn't want to work on an LS1 240? So
I love this car. So guys, this is it. It's a short, sweet one. We'll get the car back whenever he's ready. I know it'll be done before the first event in March 22nd. So this is it. We're gonna hit the road. Peace out. Till next time. All right, guys. So I was trying not to do it. I try to just get these drives done, but boy, I am tired dropping off the 240, heading back home. We do have about a 2 hour and 5 minute drive. So of course, guys, you know I've been with G Fuel for quite a while, so I'm always repping it. It is one of the drinks that does not give me a crash. I do like that I can drink it. If it's quick or if I kind of drink it slow, it doesn't lock your stomach up. It doesn't feel like it's too much caffeine rushed in all at one time. So I really do love drinking G Fuels, not just because I'm sponsored with them, but because I actually enjoy their drinks. This one's their watermelon lemonade, and it's a pretty cool ass can, as you can see here, watermelon limeade. I enjoy them. I can drink it sitting here, and it's not going to get me all hopped up where I want to get out of the car. And that's kind of why I like G Fuels so much, because it gives you some sustained energy without too much of a jittery rush, kind of like Red Bull would give you. And Monster, unfortunately, just locks my stomach up and makes it feel like I have to go to the bathroom. So, guys, code Jdm Muscle, gfuel.com, saves you 20%. Thanks for the support.